Hello guys, welcome back. We are still trying the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser Drinking Calendar, the Advent Calendar. We've been opening one every single day, trying the drink, trying them hot, trying them cold, and seeing what they're like. We have got 2 more days left. It is the 23rd of December. We are nearly here at the Christmas period. Very exciting. I do have a treat. It's in the background. Maybe I'll try and get that on the next one and do it as a proper Christmas Eve video, really, with a drinking chocolate. We'll see if we're having it hot and cold as well, because we don't know if this is going to repeat. So here we go. It's the 23rd of December, which means door number 23. And here we go. Door number 23. Let's have a look. Oh, now this is definitely a repeat, so this is going to be a cold one. I do remember this. I did like this one quite a lot. So this is the salted caramel and clementine. I'll show you again. There you go. Salted caramel and clementine. That's quite a mouthful, is that? And so's the drink. Let's have a look. It says citrus, caramel, sea salt, juicy, malty, not too sweet. And yeah, it was good. It was sweet enough. So we're going to try this one under ice. Over ice. I don't know why I keep saying under ice. It's over ice. We're going to try it over ice. See what it's like. Give it a review. It was very good hot. Recommended. Highly recommended. Here we are, guys. It is the 23rd of December. Just one more day to Christmas Eve, and then it's the big day. So we are on... We've just unboxed this morning, the 23rd, and we got another repeat, which is the salted caramel and clementine, which is that one. Is that gonna... There we go. That's focused. It says... citrus, caramel, sea salt, juicy, malty, and not too sweet. Now, we did do this one hot, again, like this one. So, because we've already done it, we're going to do it as the cold one. So, this is the iced drink. So, it's a lighter colour and very foamy on top, as you can see. It's got a nice little foam there. So, let's give this a go. Oh, that is really good. In fact, that's so good that could actually be my favourite of the cold drinks. It's sweet, a bit sweeter than some of the others that I've had cold, and it's really creamy. You could taste it. It's really creamy. Yeah, really like that one. So that one is the salted caramel and clementine. Yeah, I think that's my favourite cold of all the drinks I've done so far cold. There is some more to try, but I'm probably going to do a big video sometime after the new year where I'm going to be testing some of the flavours that I haven't done. Also, there is a couple of new flavours on the way as well, so I'm going to try and get hold of them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and get ready for tomorrow for the final day of the unboxing. See what flavour we've got tomorrow. Thank you again for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, and bye for now.